Now I will show you how to add menu icon in WordPress website. So currently this is my menu and now I'm going to adding menu icon here, and I'll show you the best and easiest way to do it. First of all, log into your WordPress admin dashboard and ensure you have installed Font Awesome in your WordPress. To install Font Awesome, you have to install and activate Font Awesome plugin. So go to Add New Plugin page and click on Add New Plugin. And note one thing, that in WordPress, here is no way to add icon in WordPress menu without a plugin. And Font Awesome is the best way to add icon in our WordPress menu. Okay, here simply type Font Awesome and all you have to need, install and activate Font Awesome plugin in your WordPress. Once it's successfully installed, it means you have installed the Font Awesome in your site. Now it's time to add icon in our menus. So hover over on Appearance and go to Menus. And here make sure to select the exact menu in which menu you are going to add icon. Now open a new tab and type here Font Awesome icons, and all you have to need, open Font Awesome free icons page. Once you are in Font Awesome icon page, you can use the search icons box to find out a specific category icons. So first of all, let's add icons for home items. So here's the home icon. I'm just clicking on this home icon, and here we can see the icon, and here we can see the icon CSS code. So all you have to need, copy this icon CSS code and expand the item, and under navigation level, don't remove level, simply before or after the level paste the Font Awesome icon CSS code, just like so. And the same way I'm expanding menu, and let's search for menu this time, and here I'm clicking on bar and copying bar CSS class, adding here, and that's how. Go ahead and add all of your icons for items. Once you successfully added, now save your menu. And now let's open my WordPress website. And that's it. Here, as you can see, I've added icons in my WordPress website menu. And now, if you want to add some custom padding or margin to Font Awesome icons, first of all, you have to find out Font Awesome icons class name. So all you have to need, right click any of the icon and click on inspect. And here we can see the icon class name is FA-solid, and selecting the selection tool, and let's select another icon, and for this icon here we can see the same class name FA-solid, and for check I'm going to selecting another icon, and also here we can see the same class name for all icons. So we have to copy this icon class name FA-solid, and now click on customize to customize your WordPress website. Here go to additional CSS, and here type dot and paste class name, give a second bracket and type here padding. Let's add 10 pixel padding, and here we can see padding added, and it looks very beautiful now. You can also change padding value just like so, and then click on publish, and that's it. This is how we can actually add icon in our WordPress website menu. Thanks for watching.